Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw an Audi TT step by step. We'll begin by sketching the basic proportions and overall shape of the car. Focus on light lines to establish the main body, including the roofline and wheel arches. This initial framework is crucial for ensuring your drawing has the correct perspective and balance from the start. Don't worry about perfection yet, just get those foundational shapes down. Now, let's add some key details to bring your Audi TT to life. Carefully refine the body lines, giving them a more defined and sleek appearance. Next, draw the circular wheel wells and start to shape the wheels, paying attention to their size and placement. Don't forget to outline the distinctive headlights, taillights, and side mirrors with a bit more precision. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. On another note, after a focused drawing session, you might be hungry. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For our final steps, we'll focus on refining and shading your drawing. Add intricate details to the wheels, like spokes and brake calipers, to give them a realistic look. Then, draw the iconic Audi grille, door handles, and any other small exterior features. Finally, apply shading to create depth and highlight the car's sleek contours, making your Audi TT truly pop off the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.